Okay, so here is the table of contents. I sent you a picture of it. We're going to talk about distribution in this video. So I'm going to turn to page 9, distribution. Okay, the formal definition of distribution. So I'm going to write formal definition. Formal definition is A times B plus C equals A times B plus A times C. Okay, and we're going to test that out. We're going to make A be 4. Get it? B4, haha. B equals 6, and C equal 5. Okay, so now I'm going to plug all those into this and see and just double check if it actually is true and if it works. So I've got 4 times 6 plus 5 equals 4 times 6 plus 4 times 5. All right, so I've got 4 times 11 should be the same as 24 plus 20. Well, this is 44, and this is also 44. So do those match? Yep, they sure do. So our formal definition works. Obviously, I wouldn't give it to you if it didn't. And what happens with distribution is that you're saying that this many times this set of stuff. Okay? So look at this expression. Okay, so we've got 5 times x minus 9. This is just an expression because there's no equal sign. So I've got 5x minus 45 because I took the 5 times the x and the 5 times the negative 9. Okay, so look at this next example. If I take 3 times 2x plus 4, I'm going to just take 3 times 2, so that's 6x, and then 3 times the positive 4 is 12, so I have 6x plus 12. Okay, so this is not crazy. You can do this. Okay, so look at this one. So I've got problem 3 here. Got 7 times 2x minus 3 plus 6 equals negative 2 minus negative 6x minus 20 minus 1. Now don't get all scared and freaked out because it's all long. It's fine. It's not a big deal. All you're going to do and make sure to do is make sure that you multiply by both parts. Okay? By both parts. And yes, this negative goes with this 20. This negative goes with this 2. Okay? So let's look. 7 times 2, 14x. 7 times negative 3, negative 21. Positive 6 comes right down. Oop, I didn't draw my line. Negative 2 times negative 6, positive 12. Negative 2 times negative 20, positive 40. Negative 1 just comes down. Now this is the part where I like to clean things up. And these are like terms. These are just constants. So I can just bring this 14x down. And negative 20 plus, negative 21 plus 6 is negative 15. And then I've got 12x, and 39. Okay? Now at this point I just go back to the previous page and start doing my steps. I'm going to move the variable to the same side. Which variable do you think I'm going to move? Well, I hope you said the 12x because that would make you right, because it's the smaller one. So that goes to 0. This gives me 2x minus 15 and 39 over here. Now all that's left for me to do at this point is to add 15 to both sides. I get 54 equals 2x. At this point it's like, duh, you just divide by 2, because you guys are super smart. And you should get 27. Okay? So there's your lesson on distribution. Thanks for watching your very first video of 8th grade. I hope you had a good time. So, tomorrow, here's how I know you did your work. I'm going to give you a quiz, and I'm going to ask you what the answer is. And I'm going to ask you for this number. I'm going to give you a note card. If your neighbor didn't do it, do not tell them this number. Do you understand? Hope to see you tomorrow.